Hello igus friends. Today I'm here in Bangalore, India. I'm on a beautiful and green campus together with Ganesh. In this innovation campus, Ganesh is working on 3D SLS printers, and he personally is an innovator, but also a big fan of cycling. So it's very exciting to have him here with me for the very first stop of the igus bike world tour in India. I know you've been following the igus bike for more than a year already. Today you first time see it here, the bike that has been traveled 955 kilometers already. What are your thoughts on the design of the bike?
I mean, firstly, I'm really impressed seeing the cycle. As like, I ride a normal cycle. It's not really made of plastic or recycled plastic, for example. And me looking at sustainability and the build, which is like OEM components like gates, Continental tires, that makes me like very impressed. Looking at the build, I was like, I really need the cycle the next moment. And then I was like getting in reach with igus, and now I really have the cycle in my hand to ride it. It was like fantastic. Fab job done by igus, and I'm looking forward for buying it as soon as possible.
And I know you often commute to work with the cycle. How long do you travel every day? And could you picture yourself with such an igus bike in the Bangalore traffic?
So like in Bangalore, it's like a lot of traffic, and my commute ranges from 45 to 1 hour, and there's a lot of maintenance which happens for my cycle, and igus has reduced all of them, at least like minimized them. So that's what I'm looking for, a cycle, and that makes me perfect cycle which I can buy for.